How to change Discord profile banner. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload a new banner and customize your Discord profile. First, open Discord on your phone or computer and make sure you're signed in. Next, open your user settings by clicking or tapping your profile icon. Now, select Profiles or Edit Profile, depending on your device. Look for the Profile Banner section. Click or tap Change Banner. Choose an image from your device and upload the picture you want to use as your Discord profile banner. You can then adjust the image by moving or zooming it until it looks the way you want. Once you're happy with the banner, click Apply or Save Changes. Your new profile banner should now appear on your Discord profile. Keep in mind that the profile banner feature may require Discord Nitro, depending on your account and current Discord features. If you don't see the option, make sure your Discord app is updated and check whether the feature is available for your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord profile banner. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Discord tutorials.